I would like to quote a lot of studies also that say that there are only 3 pillars of friendship. So the first one is that the most important, I think so, is proximity.
What do you think lies do to a friendship?
They would destroy the friendship also, they'll destroy the trust also.
Do you think colleagues can become your friends? Because eventually you're also competitors.
It's actually a very difficult question to
No, you
for me
told
to
them that you
answer.
love them, but then you can always answer.
Yes, I love them, but then the thing is that, what you were saying, that there is so much of competition and there's so
There is
much
always
of
competition. Do you think that सच में दोस्ती प्यार है?
दोस्ती तो प्यार है यार, और क्या है?
Tell me the catch-22 situation when a person falls in love with their own best friend.
Then take them for dinner and have a conversation with them, because now see now the ball is in your court.
Dinner
Now
में
you
बिल
know.
भर पड़ना पड़ता है. कोई नहीं था मेरे साथ. इतने साल गुजर गए हैं after my mom has passed on. किसी भी एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली ने कभी फ़ोन करके ये नहीं पूछा हाउ आई एम डूइंग, बट मेरे दोस्त हर बार मुझे फ़ोन करके पूछते हैं.
But I have heard a lot of people now saying this to me, that after marriage they've found their soulmate.
You mean outside of the marriage?
Yes.
Oh, very
Yes,
interesting.
Yes, and when
I deal with this nearly every day. Hello, people, and welcome to yet another episode of my podcast, Liminal Conversations. तो काफ़ी टाइम से मैं ये सोच रही थी कि अपने किसी दोस्त को, अपनी किसी फ्रेंड को बुलाऊँ इस पॉडकास्ट पे. थोड़ा सा फ़न होगा, थोड़ा सा मज़ा आएगा. एंड तो पर दोस्तों के साथ पॉडकास्ट करने का सबसे बड़ा ड्रॉबैक ये होता है कि हम आधा टाइम हंसते रह जाते हैं और हम एक्चुअल काम कर नहीं पाते. बट द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट कॉलिंग योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड और योर क्लोजेस्ट फ्रेंड for your own podcast is also that they understand what the whole thing is and how we have to go about it, and they will take it as seriously as I will. So and I've been thinking for the longest time, and I also sit down with my clients in therapy, and I find that there are a lot of blurred lines between friendship, love. इसीलिए आज के पॉडकास्ट का हमने नाम भी दिल, दोस्ती और प्यार रखा है. और क्योंकि भाई दिल तो हर जगह ही शामिल हो जाता है, चाहे दोस्ती हो चाहे प्यार. तो बट we are going to essentially we're going to be talking about lines that get blurred sometimes, those shades of grey that come in between friendships. And no better than my closest friend to have come on this podcast. She, like I said, and I have always said this, friendships in adulthood are a blessing, because when we have friendships from our childhood, our classmates, and as we grow, of course those friendships have a totally different meaning in our life, a depth in our life. But when we find friends in adulthood, it's an entirely different feeling. It's like a ray of sunshine in your darkest hour. You find that because as we grow, our childhood friends usually find their own paths, and it very rarely happens that you will be with your childhood friend. But friendships found in adulthood are like a blessing. And Dr. Maneera Dasmana has been such a blessing for me. She has stood by me in good times and bad. And other than being, of course, an MD in medicine, and she's with Max Hospital, and she, practices privately as well. She, I think, is this person I know will always be there in times of need. And I think that's what friendship is all about, to be there, just be there. You don't feel alone in a otherwise very crowded world. So welcome, Maneera.
Hi Adviti, thank you. How have you been?
Like you saw me last in the past 2 minutes. Yeah. That's how you saw me.
Okay. Sorry.
No, you don't have to be sorry. But so tell me, Maneera, I mean, what do you think of friendship in today's world, in the kind of world we live in, where life is so fast?
See, Adviti, I feel that everyone has their own definition of friendship. I'm sure you must be having your own definition of friendship. कि मेरे दोस्त ये होने चाहिए, मेरा दोस्त ऐसा होना चाहिए. So even I have my own definition of friendship. So for me, as you stated a very good point, that as you grow older in your life, your friends, they go away because there's so many commitments that you have in life.
Yes.
And I feel that now, for me, the definition of friendship is that, a friend is the one who stands by you or who protects your name in the rooms that you're not present in. Full stop. There is, for me, as an adult being, this is the definition of friendship. Because, you can have a lot of beer buddies, right? You can go for dinner with a lot of people, and a lot of people can, they can tell you that, "Arey, aapke sath ye ho gaya, I'm so sorry."
True.
But when you're not there,
Lip service, as we call it.
exactly. So, but when you're not there, who are the ones who will protect your names? So
Yeah.
for me, that is friendship. Simple.
So, in today's world, I find like during my sessions with people, I find a lot of people who come and say that, oh, we'd been friends for such a long time. And I'm not talking of platonic or non-platonic relationships. I'm talking of two friends. And of course, you and I share a lot about each other's lives, and I'm not going to talk about it here. But if you'll be able to relate to an example that we had discussed some time back.
Yes.
Why do friendships that you believe are going to be there for a lifetime sometimes just fall apart? Do you think it's because of different priorities, or do you think it's a difference of ideologies, it's a difference of values? Sometime back I had, parted ways with a friend,
Yes. Yeah.
and that was a very good friend, very close friend. What do you have to say about people who are out there and have had friendships for years and years, and they just, part ways?
See, for that also, I'll say that I would like to quote a lot of studies also that say that there are only 3 pillars of friendship. So the first one is that the most important, I think so, is proximity. आप किसके कितना क्लोज हो. लाइक यू मस्ट हैव सीन कि सबसे ज़्यादा जो बडीज़ होते हैं वो आपके हॉस्पिटल में होते हैं. जैसे मेरे जो भी जितने भी क्लोज फ्रेंड्स हैं वो हॉस्पिटल में, बिकॉज वी देयर प्रॉक्सिमिटी. बट देन अगेन सारे दोस्त नहीं हैं हॉस्पिटल में. वाई? बिकॉज दैट इज़ अ सेकेंड पिलर विच इज़ टाइम. आप किसके साथ कितना टाइम स्पेंड करते हो. सो दिस इज द सेकेंड पिलर ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप. एंड द थर्ड इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू विल अग्री विद मी. इट्स एनर्जी. It's as simple as that. But you know what, Vidhi, what is the problem with energy? It changes. Simple. So that is your answer. So you and I may be very good friends, and maybe I am a big beer buddy with someone, and I like to eat food with someone. So, but the problem is that what if I go on a diet and I change my priorities? So there the energy will change. And when the energy changes, then the friendships fall apart. It's as simple
you're
as
saying
that.
it's all about priorities.
Yes, it is all about priorities and energies, because that is how you meet the other person. अरे तेरे को भी ये पसंद है, अरे हाँ यार मेरे को भी ये पसंद है. This is what happens. But this changes with time. As you grow older, all these things, they change. But the best thing in all of this is step aside the 3 pillars and everything. The most important thing is, if a friend is going, I think so it's a beautiful thing to let a friend go. And अगर आपकी दोस्ती टूट रही है, आपका दोस्त आपसे दूर जा रहा है, आई फील इट शुड नेवर बी पर्सनल एंड इट शुड नेवर बी टेकन पर्सनली.
That's such a beautiful thought.
Yeah, it should never be taken personally, because it's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful experience to even letting that friend go.
How is it beautiful?
Because if you hold on to grudges, then definitely it's going to be very bad for you. But then all the times that you have spent together, you'd laugh about it.
Yeah, so they're memories.
Yes, they're memories.
They're beautiful memories.
Yes, they're beautiful memories. And the other thing is that, if you hold on to those memories, you'll realize that, yes, he and she were a good friend, but yes, okay, now our energies, they don't match. It's as simple as that.
So I come across a lot of people in my sessions who come to me, and they're coming to me for sessions and therapy for the fact that they fell in love with their own best friend. Now we're coming to a more romantic side of friendships, opposite sex, same sex, whatever. And, they suddenly develop feelings for their closest friend. And many a times it happens that the two overlap. Your friendship or the love that you have, or the feelings that you have for your friend, for your best friend, it kind of overlaps. Do you think that somewhere in the long run, when we develop feelings for a friend, that somewhere negatively affects the friendship?
It does. It usually does. Because
So you're saying there should be boundaries in friendship?
There should be boundaries, because if there would not be boundaries, then the first thing that will happen is that you would have expectations, and I feel whenever expectations come, पूरा खेल खराब हो जाता है. You'd agree with me, right?
खेल-
तो if खेल खराब मतलब कि दोस्ती पूरी खराब है,
क्रिकेट थोड़ी
because
है ये।
पूरी दोस्ती खराब हो जाएगी. बिकॉज देन यूड स्टार्ट एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम दैट पर्सन कि ये मेरे लिए ये भी करे, ही और शी शुड प्रोटेक्ट मी ऑल्सो, ये भी करे. अगर मैंने उसको ऐसे बोला तो इसने मुझे ऐसे क्यों
पहले
नहीं
तो
बोला,
ऐसा नहीं होता था,
पहले
अब
तो
ऐसा
ऐसा
हो
नहीं
रहा
होता
है।
था, अब ऐसा हो रहा है. एंड यू थिंक दैट इज अ फ्रेंड्स मिस्टेक, बट आई थिंक सो यू हैव गॉन सो ओवर बाउंड विद दैट पर्सन दैट यू हैव डेवलप्ड सो मेनी फीलिंग्स दैट यू स्टार्ट एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम दैट पर्सन. So
What do you
feelings
think?
is a very different thing and love is a very different thing.
Yeah. What do you
Yeah.
think lies do to a friendship?
They just destroy the friendship, and the other thing is again the same thing,
Trust.
that they would destroy the friendship also, they'll destroy the trust also, and the other thing is that it in the long run it will never work. It will never work in the long run. You know, it will eventually die. It's as simple as that. देहरादून तो वैसे भी बहना बहुत छोटी जगह है.
हाँ मतलब 2 फलांग में तो हम इधर से उधर पहुंच जाते हैं.
Exactly.
बट देहरादून जैसी जगह कोई नहीं है.
देहरादून से कोई
So,
ये तो है.
but that's for another time and another podcast and another topic. But yes, so coming to again friendship, कभी तो तुमने नोटिस किया होगा मनीरा कि हम सबसे अच्छी एडवाइस अपने दोस्तों को देते हैं जब हमारा दोस्त किसी दुख से गुजर रहा हो, दर्द से गुजर रहा हो. So we give them the best advice. हम वही एडवाइस अपने पे क्यों नहीं अप्लाई कर पाते?
Because we don't love ourselves. That is a problem. That is the biggest problem. We don't love ourselves. So that is why there's a very big quote, but first love yourself. And that is why it is said like that. If I'll tell you that if you'd be down, and this has happened so many times, and I'd be like, Adviti, you're a good person. You're a very nice person. How many times have I gone to the mirror and said the same thing about myself? Manira, you're a good person.
Yeah.
You're a kind person. You do this every day.
नहीं तुम तो
कितनी बार-
चुड़ैल हो.
नहीं, मैं कहती हूँ
I mean,
अपने
that's
आप
on
को-
the lighter side, people. I mean,
मैं कहती
that's
हूँ-
what we do with friends. So
yes. मैं कहती हूँ अपने आप को ऐसा. I walk into the mirror every day and I say that to myself, you know. But then the thing is that how many people are usually actually doing it? That's the thing, and that is why, as you said, कि हम तो 30 मार खाना है यार किसी को देने में, एडवाइस देने में, कि नहीं यार. लाइक व्हेन आई वाज डाउन, व्हाट डिड यू टेल मी? मनीरा, यू आर अ वेरी गुड फ्रेंड. मनीरा, तू कितनी अच्छी है, तेरे को सब पसंद करते हैं.
You're the best.
बट अद्विति, दैट्स द थिंग ना, हम कितनी बार मिरर के सामने खड़े होकर हमने अपने आप को ऐसा कहा है?
Don't you think that will sometimes lead to delusion?
No, not really, yaar. Not really. Matlab, I have seen people coming out of their anxieties. I have seen people coming out of their worries because of that. Because then the whole universe, you know, it's a universal call. The whole universe will then do the same thing with you. And that is why I say the universal energy is also very important. पूरी कायनात फिर उसी चीज़ में लग जाएगी अगर आप अपने बारे में अच्छा बोलोगे तो. वो हम बोलते ही नहीं है.
So, Manira, I'm going to ask you a slightly difficult question now. And this is a question that I have really been pondering over for a very long time now. Even when I was in a 9-to-5 job and everything. Do you think colleagues can become your friends? Because eventually, you're also competitors.
Yes, true.
How does this dynamic work for you? I mean, you are in a 9-to-5 job.
Yes.
Do you think your colleagues anybody's colleagues can be their friends? And I want you to give me a very honest answer.
It's actually a very difficult question, Adviti, for me to answer, because all my friends
No,
would
don't be diplomatic.
they'd be watching this podcast. I love you guys. So
Yes, we love all our friends. But
yes, but the thing is that it's actually a very difficult question to.
no,
for
you
me
told
to
them that you
answer.
love them, but then you can always answer.
Yes, I love them, but then the thing is that, you know, what you were saying, that there's so much of competition and
Yes,
there's so
there is
much
always
of
competition.
there's so much of chaos in the hospital, and there is you know, we are competing. Yes, that is there.
And you all
But
are
then-
working under immense pressure as well.
Yes, but then again, what I said, the 3 pillars, proximity and time, we usually don't give that much time to each other, because 9-to-5 job में हमारे साथ क्या होता है Adviti? We don't even see each other. We can't even have lunch together.
पर ये भी तो होता है ना मनीरा कि हम 8 घंटे हम दिन के 8 से 10 घंटे, और डॉक्टर्स के साथ तो और भी ज़्यादा होता होगा. I'm sure.
Exactly. Yes.
हम तुम लोग अपनी इतना, मैं भी, हम तो खैर 9-to-5 नॉर्मल 8-hour जॉब में थे. But I think you do get close to such people, but there is, like I said, I learned it the hard way, that your colleagues are only your colleagues and they can
Yes.
never be your friends. And I learned it the hard way that we need to draw a line between colleagues and friends.
Yes.
For the longest time, I used to think that my colleagues are my closest friends. I realized they weren't.
Okay.
That was my experience. They weren't bad to me. Well, it's a competitive world. We all need to pay our bills. We all need to. So even if if I claim to have somebody as a friend, this has happened with me personally. That even if so, अगर अद्विति को हमने डिमीन करके पीछे छोड़ना है, क्योंकि हमको वो नौकरी चाहिए, और अगर अद्विति को हमने गड्ढे में डाल देना है तो हम उसको डाल देंगे, दोस्ती क्या होती है.
But that is my question to you. I mean, if you are saying that everyone has to pay their bills and you are talking about competition, तब उसमें तो दोस्ती आई नहीं ना. फिर तो वो दोस्ती हुई नहीं ना पहले टाइम्स. मतलब
देखो
वो तो
मनीला
from the
क्या हो
starting it
जाता
was
है
not a friendship.
नहीं, हम तुमको बताते हैं. अब क्या मान लो कि तुम्हारी बहुत अच्छी फ्रेंड है.
हाँ.
क्वेश्चन मतलब forget your hospital, forget your 9 to 5 job. I'm generally telling you, say you and I tomorrow we pick up a job in a similar place and our boss is common, we are in the same team. And one fine day the boss calls you and tells you कि okay, this is something that we want to know about Adviti, or this is, or supposing they call me and they say this is something we want to know about Manira. And you know that answering that question honestly will get you a promotion, better salary, increased salary rather.
Right.
Will you not choose it?
No.
Because you will not choose it. No. I will not do it. But there are people who do it.
I will not, because when this thing started, I told you that you have to protect your friend's name in the rooms that they're not present in.
Yeah, but then again, coming back to my question,
Yeah.
can colleagues be your friends? Because see, here it is you and me.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Here
But
it
I
is you
think
and
so-
me. You and I, we don't share a professional relationship. We share a
Right.
pure friendship.
Right.
It's a pure दोस्ती जिसको बोलते हैं ना,
Yes.
वो है, हम बहनें
Yes.
हैं types, है ना, बहन प्यारी. But what do you do with a colleague who you've trusted and suddenly is just, you know, so I had this one colleague who now I can say pretended to be a friend, and I have no qualms in talking about this. Even if she watches this someday, she'll understand that I'm talking about her. I'm not taking any names. But people do this. Has this never happened with you?
This has happened with me, but then I have a very good friend whose name is Adviti. And when I was in a problem and then I had gone to her and then she told me a very, very good thing that
she'll be typing letters for you as well.
कि मनीरा धीरे 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 करके कट ऑफ कर दे. And I listened to her. It was very painful, but I think so. I did a very
Sometimes
good thing.
distance and space helps.
Yes, I did
You
a
think
very good
space
thing.
and distance really helps in friendship?
They
as well?
do a lot.
It helps you see more clearly.
See more clearly, and the other thing which is most important, आपको respect बनती है उस इंसान के लिए अगर नहीं बन रही होती है तो, because whenever you're together, you know, then धीरे धीरे that respect also dies. So when you are, either it will open your eyes that yes, now I'm much better, I'm doing much better, या फिर तो उल्टा होगा आपके साथ, या फिर तो आपको लगेगा नहीं यार वो मेरी लाइफ में थी या था, then my life was better. So yes, distance and time is very important.
Distance and space somehow gives you a lot of clarity.
Yeah, a lot of.
So again, now I'm moving to something which is more romantic.
Okay.
When romance and love overlap in friendship.
Yes, then it's Shah Rukh Khan.
No, it can't be Shah Rukh Khan. मतलब दोस्ती प्यार है and all of that. No, it can't be. Though I'm a great fan of Shah Rukh Khan. I just love the guy. But here's the thing. Do you think that सच में दोस्ती प्यार है?
दोस्ती तो प्यार है यार, और क्या है?
तो दोस्ती प्यार कैसे हो सकती है भाई? प्यार तो अलग चीज है.
प्यार भी दोस्ती हो, दोस्ती प्यारी है यार. बिकॉज दोस्ती प्यार क्यों है? क्योंकि जब तब आप दिल से सोचते हो, जहाँ आपने दिमाग लगा दिया ना वो दोस्ती है ना वो प्यार है यार. जब आप दिल से सोचते
तो मैं
हो
रोमांटिक वाले प्यार की बात कर रही हूँ. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस प्यार जो अफेक्शन जो दोस्तों के लिए होता है. आई एम टॉकिंग ऑफ रोमांटिक लव.
देन दैट इज डिफरेंट. देन तो इट्स द होल.
हैव यू सीन सच फ्रेंडशिप्स ब्लॉसमिंग?
Yes, I have, and in a lot of cases I've matlab it's like very, it depends upon person to person and their nature, you know, but yes, I have.
So
I actually have.
Tell me the catch-22 situation when a person falls in love with their own best friend,
Right.
and the best friend doesn't feel the same way for them. How do you think that best friend should navigate the situation, knowing very well कि यार ये तो मेरी best friend है, उसको मुझसे प्यार हो गया, और अब मैं क्या करूँ, ये तो मेरी दोस्त है. बहुत से ऐसे लोग आते हैं मेरे पास. I want to understand from a doctor now, who's also my bestie, that what should a person in that situation really do when you don't have the same feelings, because then you are also risking hurting them.
I know.
And you can't say yes either.
Right.
So
Then take them for dinner and have a conversation with them, because now see now the ball is in your court.
डिनर
Now
में
you
बिल
know.
भर पड़ना पड़ता है.
यार इतना तो कर सकते हैं दोस्त के लिए, दोस्त बोला.
It drives are better actually.
Exactly.
We can go for a drive.
Yes, we
halfway
can
to
go for a
Mussoorie and come
drive
back.
or a lot of other things. But let's just, because it's a podcast.
No,
let's
but वो
go for a
दोस्ती में
drive.
नहीं आएगा वो.
नहीं, ड्राइव के साथ
हाँ,
forget it.
okay, yeah.
So the thing is that then you just take that
In
person
psychology we
for a
call it substance abuse.
drive. उससे दिमाग खुलता है,
अच्छा.
फिर आप ज़्यादा और अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर पाते हो लोगों को. हाँ, तो I think so you should do that. Take them for a dinner or for a drive and then, you know, make them understand. And most important thing in this is, Adviti, you know what? You have to listen to their side of story.
कि उनको प्यार कैसे हो गया?
Exactly. You
यार
have to
प्यार
listen
का
to
कोई
their...
लॉजिक थोड़ी
It's
होता है
not
मनीरा.
that. You have to listen to their side of story because you can't just call them for dinner and you can't just say कि यार देख ऐसा है, यार ऐसे तो नहीं हो सकता, देख ऐसा है वैसा
हम तो
नहीं.
दोस्त हैं.
हाँ, exactly. You have to listen to their side of story also.
Do you think?
You have to understand their side of story also.
But
for
one
sure.
has to be honest as well, ना?
They will be honest. अगर उन्होंने अपनी feelings को admit किया है to their friend,
और
then they
जिसको
have to
फीलिंग
be
नहीं है
honest.
वो बेचारा या बेचारी
Should be a good listener. Should be a good listener and should listen. कि यार कैसे हुआ? What do you want to really say? What do you think is good about me? Why? And then you know, then explain them in a good way.
यू नो ना मनीरा, कुछ लोग होते हैं जो झपट्टा मार देते हैं और छोड़ते नहीं है और चिपक जाते हैं.
I know.
You know that there are people
I
who
know.
don't give you space.
Yes.
They
Yes.
don't who have been your friends because they have given you space all those years
Yes. Yeah.
because there was no expectation. Suddenly in one evening there is an expectation.
I know.
You start expecting from this friend who you've fallen for.
Yes.
And then that becomes a push and pull kind of dynamic.
As I said earlier, that expectations, you know, that changes the whole equation.
तो क्योंकि आज एक दोस्त इस पॉडकास्ट पे आई है और गेस्ट तो उसको बोलना बिल्कुल सही नहीं होगा, तो थोड़ा सा आज हम रिवर्स पॉडकास्ट खेलेंगे. शी वॉन्ट्स टू आस्क मी a few questions or
Yes.
maybe one or two or whatever. Few
Yes.
तो मैंने बोल दिया, एक भी होगा पता नहीं कि.
Yes.
But
I only have 2 questions for you. And why am I doing this is because I feel that you should be here. Because, you know,
That's very kind of you.
you're a healer. You know so much about psychology. So I feel that you should be here. So I have 2 questions that I have to ask you. That what do you think, Adviti, forget about what you are professionally. What do you think what friendship is?
Friendship is where there is unconditional respect.
Right.
Where you look at somebody and you want to be with them without any conditions, without any expectations. You just, like I said, friends are your family.
True.
तो ज़िंदगी में जब भी कोई दुख दर्द आता है तो फ्रैंकली मेरी तो एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली मेरे साथ नहीं थी, मेरे दोस्त ही मेरे साथ थे मेरे सबसे बुरे वक्त में. कोई नहीं था मेरे साथ. इतने साल गुजर गए हैं आफ्टर माई मॉम हैज़ पास्ड ऑन. किसी भी एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली ने कभी फ़ोन करके ये नहीं पूछा हाउ आई एम डूइंग. बट मेरे दोस्त हर बार मुझे फ़ोन करके पूछते हैं. हर बार क्या, मैं बोलूँगी एवरी वीक. बिकॉज सिर्फ दोस्त ही होते हैं जो समझ पाते हैं कि आप किस दर्द से गुजर रहे हो. तो रिश्तेदारी में तो फिर रिश्तेदारी आ जाती है ना, निभाना है, करना ही है, फॉर्मेलिटी है. बट दोस्तों में ये नहीं होता. दोस्तों में ये भी होता है कि कभी कभी मनीरा रात के 10 बजे अंधेरे में घर की बेल बजाएगी और हाथ में इसकी होगी बॉटल, किस चीज़ की वो मैं नहीं बता सकती, पानी की बॉटल, और बोलेगी सॉरी यार मैं क्या बहुत लेट आ गई सो गई क्या. सो शी इज़ एक्चुअली डन दैट. सो आई थिंक ये दोस्ती है जहाँ पे सोचना नहीं पड़ता कि हम इसके घर कितनी बजे जा रहे हैं. मन किया मिलने का तो बस आ गए. और आई ट्रैवल द वर्ल्ड विद हर आइज बिकॉज ये बहुत ट्रैवल करती है, मैं इतना नहीं कर पाती हूँ. सो या फॉर मी फ्रेंडशिप इज़ दिस, जब आप दुनिया को अपने दोस्त के पर्सपेक्टिव से भी देखते हो, समझते हो. दोस्त एक ऐसा इंसान होता है मनीरा जिसकी आप सुनते हो. इफ़ यू रियलाइज आई हैव लिसन टू यू. दोस्त से हम एडवाइस ही इसलिए मांगते हैं क्योंकि दोस्त एक अकेला ऐसा इंसान होगा, शायद आपकी फैमिली भी आपके साथ ऐसा ना करे, जो आपको सच में शीशा दिखा देगा. योर फ्रेंड विल शो यू अ मिरर वेयर यू स्टैंड. सो यू कुड बी टोटली रॉन्ग, you could be totally right, but it's only your friend who will tell you that okay listen, here you are wrong and this is what you need to rectify. बड़ी बार फैमिली के साथ भी लाइंस ब्लर हो जाती हैं बिकॉज फैमिली सोचता है हमारा बच्चा है, हमारी भाई हमारा बहन है, तो हम ना इनको हर्ट ना हो जाएं, इनको प्रोटेक्ट, बिकॉज फैमिली एसेंशियली प्रोटेक्ट्स यू.
I know.
दोस्त तो आपको बैटल फील्ड में धक्का मार देगा और बोलेगा जीत के आना वापस, फिर पार्टी करेंगे. सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस. So this is what friendship is for me, where you will accept the person with all their flaws and you will just be there for them. I think.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Second question.
My second question, only you can answer, I can't because I don't have any expertise in that. But I have heard a lot of people now saying this to me that, obviously I can't name them, that after marriage they've found their soulmate. After marriage they have found their twin flame.
You mean outside of the marriage?
Yes.
Oh, very
Yes,
interesting.
Yes, and you know, when
I
you,
deal with this nearly every day.
exactly. So when you say such heavy words like soulmate and when you say such heavy words like twin flames, right? So what is your take in this?
तो मेरा ये मानना है कि हम जिस सोसाइटी में रहते हैं और उसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है, मैरिज को एक बहुत ही ऊंचा दर्जा दिया गया है. इट्स अ वेरी पायस यूनियन ऑफ टू पीपल. हमारे संस्कार भी हमको यही समझाते हैं कि व्हेन यू आर मैरिड टू समबडी दैट पर्सन शुड बिकम योर एवरीथिंग. पर अगर मैं साइकोलॉजिकली बात करूं तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सारी एक्सपेक्टेशंस एक रिश्ते के उस पे भार, उस एक रिश्ते पे उन सारी एक्सपेक्टेशंस का भार डाल देना बहुत गलत है. my partner, my husband or my wife, जिसके बारे में भी हम सोच रहे हैं, इज माई लाइफ पार्टनर. उसके साथ में सारे अप्स एंड डाउन्स देखूंगी. वो that one person will be my person that I come back to. But for example, you and me, now you will never find me in Priyanshu and vice versa. Obviously you can't find Priyanshu in me, you know. I know that's hilarious,
You
but
don't have that muscles.
yes, I don't have those muscles. But what I'm trying to say is that we put the load of expectations only on one person, and that's unfair to that person. I am in no way justifying being disloyal or cheating on your partner. मैं बोलती हूँ सिंगल रहो यार. अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम को वो ऐसा इंसान नहीं मिला जिसके साथ आप बूढ़े होना चाहते हो, somebody you want to grow old with, somebody you know will be beside you on your deathbed, जब तक वो वाली फीलिंग ना आ जाए तब तक सिंगल रहो. मैं तो लोगों को यही बोलती हूँ, why get married, go through all that pain, give that pain to your partner. सोलमेट बाहर मिलना कोई गलत नहीं है, क्योंकि कभी कभी हम ट्विन फ्लेम्स और सोलमेट्स अपने दोस्तों में भी ढूंढ लेते हैं. एक दोस्ती के भी सोलमेट होते हैं भाई. जरूरी नहीं कि वो रोमांटिक सोलमेट ही होगा. बट मैं अपने क्लाइंट्स को भी हमेशा बहुत बार आई टेल माई क्लाइंट्स दिस सो मेनी टाइम्स दैट it's very important to be discerning. It's very important to understand that where you draw a line. I can share this with you. Recently it happened. A very close friend of mine, extremely close, and I haven't shared this with you. So this is again no names taken. And I think everything is very, very deep rooted in insecurity.
Yes.
Monotony. Getting up in the morning, seeing the face of the same person, having the same meals with the same person. There's a certain monotony that sets in. But how much are we really willing to invest in that relationship? How much are we willing to bring a newness in that relationship?
Right.
Is what is your discerning power. That's what decides where your union, where your marriage is going to go. Finding friends outside, as long as you know where to draw the line. Otherwise, be single. If you feel that you're tempted to cross a certain line because you have vowed to somebody, because you want to be with them, then please let them also live their life. Leave them. I always say this. खुश रहो यार. सामने वाले को भी खुश रहने दो.
So true.
Why go through all that pain and, you know, that heaviness and learn ladai jhagda? And recently this has happened with me. A great friend, like he extremely close friend of mine, and there has never been anything romantic. हम जैसे चड्डी बड्डी जैसे तू और मैं नहीं वैसे हैं. And his wife called me and she tells me, listen, I don't appreciate, she has seen me since I was a kid. His wife has seen me since I was 18 years old. He's been my friend since I was 18 years old. And she just said that, you know, I don't appreciate the way you have clicked a certain picture with him, which incidentally was clicked by my father. Imagine. And this person, this friend of mine, has never met me without my family. I think it must have happened just once when I was going through something really terrible in my life, that he took me for a coffee. That was, I think, probably the only time. I don't remember. Otherwise, we've always met as a family. He's a great friend and he's always been there. And suddenly his wife calls me. And she thought that probably there's something, simmering. And I was taken aback.
But how did you deal with it? I mean, this is a good situation for
So
me to
yes,
ask.
I firstly reassured her because see, in this whole situation, it was she who was the wife who was aggrieved.
Yes,
She
yes.
was feeling insecure. So one thing we have to realize is that I was not the cause of the insecurity. The insecurity has always been there. I was just a trigger.
True. Yes.
The insecurity has been deep rooted. I don't know since when. And she said things like, I've been fighting with him for the past 1 month over this. And she's somebody who has known me, my family, my parents. My parents know her. Them, in fact. What hurted me the most was that my friend didn't call me. He didn't call me. And he didn't tell me even once that, listen, my wife is a little uncomfortable with all this. Had he said this to me even once. So here's where honesty comes into friendship. As friends, and if we are married, and if we have friends outside of our marriage of the opposite sex, it is our duty to let our friends of the opposite sex, it is our duty to let them know that this is what our partner appreciates and probably would, or not appreciates, or probably would be uncomfortable with.
Right.
Because not all friendships outside of your marriage turn into an affair or turn into something. No.
True.
You can have friends of the opposite sex, hang out with them, but it's also, again, the onus and the responsibility also lies on the partner. If there is an inherent insecurity in your partner, which will always remain, whether it is with one person, second person, third person, any friend, they need to work on their insecurities. They need to work on themselves. It's very natural to feel jealous, insecure. But we also need to understand that space and time, like you said, is a very important thing, not just in friendships, but in any relationship. We need to let the person breathe. I was like that many, many years ago. I was a very stifling person. I was very possessive. I would do that in my relationship. I would stifle people. I would want them ki mere sath hi chipke raho time, jhabatta maar ke. But again, like I said, I learned it the hard way. I realized that पानी को तो आप पकड़ ही नहीं सकते ना. पानी को आप जितना पकड़ने की कोशिश करोगे उतना आपकी उंगलियों के बीच से निकल जाएगा. So, yes, have friendships outside of a marriage, but let your partner be aware of everything. That's a responsibility you have towards your partner. Don't hide.
That is why I asked this question to you, because I knew that
Because I am
no
a
one
firm
can answer this
yes.
question for me.
I'm a firm believer that hiding is lying.
Yeah.
Hiding is plain straight lying. There are no two ways about it. When you're hiding something from your partner, that eventually translates to lying.
True.
Because your partner will not understand that you hid it because you didn't want to hurt them. No. For them, it will translate into, in their mind, their brain will take it as lying. So, या तो छोड़ दो, अलग अलग हो जाओ, खुश रहो, सिंगल रहो, अपनी जिंदगी जियो, जितने दोस्त बनाने बनाओ, जो करना है करो, then you're not accountable to anybody. But if you really want a life partner, then, so they say, na, with great power,
Yes.
comes great
Great
accountability and responsibility.
True.
When you have the power of marriage and a committed relationship in your life, with it also comes accountability and responsibility. नहीं तो फिर तो भैया खुले आसमान में खुले चिड़िया की तरह उड़ो जैसे मैं उड़ती हूँ.
खुला सांड.
खुले सांड की तरह. Okay, that was really okay. But yes, this is my take on this. Be single, let everybody be happy, you also be happy. हाँ, कभी लगे कि companionship चाहिए तो कोई ना कोई तो मिल ही जाए, कोई ना कोई तो है ही आपके लिए, और ये मैं मानती हूँ. But in the process, don't hurt your partner. ये मेरा मानना है. कुछ और पूछना है आपने मेरे ही podcast?
I'm very happy.
You're happy with my answer?
Answers, yes, my 2 questions were answered really, really, really well, and I knew only you could do it, no one else.
Yeah, thank you so much. You're very kind, very, very sweet. इतने प्यार से मैंने इससे कभी बात नहीं करी वैसे, इसी podcast में कर रही हूँ.
Yes, exactly.
But no, that's very sweet of you. So, now let's reverse the podcast again.
Yes.
Why do you think insecurities come in friendships that turn into marriages? हम किसी को बहुत साल डेट करते हैं, वो इंसान हमारा दोस्त भी हो जाता है या हमारी दोस्त भी हो जाती है, और इनसिक्योरिटीज़ आ जाती हैं द मोमेंट वी गेट मैरिड. एक रात के अंदर जहाँ हमारी शादी हुई और अगले दिन जहाँ हम उसकी दोस्त और उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड और उसकी बीवी बन गए, सडन इनसिक्योरिटीज आ जाती हैं. क्यों है ऐसा?
Yeah, Adviti, again, it's the same thing, because when I mean, first you were just a friend and now you're his wife. So obviously you have to leave your house. Now you're in his house. You had a certain way to live with your parents. And now you have to live in a certain way with his parents.
What about
Right.
couples who are living alag se, not with their
Alag se
family?
the same thing, yaar. Because see, anyways, you have to move out. Even he's moving out, and your whole life is changing, and that is why even your friendships are changing because of the same reason, right? So you're moving apart, and then you realize, अच्छा दीवारें ग्रीन करनी थी, मैं तो ब्लू सोचा था. ये सब चीज़ें आप पहले दोस्ती में नहीं सोचते ना. दोस्ती में तो आप मतलब यूर लाइक ऑल चिल, यूर हैप्पी, यूर सपोर्टिव, एज यू सेड कि मैं बस तेरे को बैटलफील्ड में धक्का दे रही हूँ एंड बस तुझे जीत के आना
I'm
है.
behind
यही
you.
दोस्ती है.
मैं
तेरे पीछे हूँ.
हाँ.
बट जब शादी होती है ना, ये कंसेप्ट होता है कि हाँ भाई मैं अभी भी तेरे पीछे हूँ. बट देन विद इन दैट बैटलफील्ड योर हस्बैंड इज ऑल्सो स्टैंडिंग विद यू. यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. एंड यू लाइक नहीं, दीवार तो भाई ग्रीन ही होगी.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब हम अपने दोस्त को किसी बैटलफील्ड में हम ये तो बोलते हैं जीत के आना, हार भी जाएगा तो कोई बात नहीं, तब भी पार्टी कर लेंगे.
Exactly.
Do you think friendship is important in a marriage?
It is very, very important.
Between the two.
Very important.
Between the two.
Yes, it is. I mean,
You have to enjoy each other's
exactly, because when I go from the hospital and whenever there's a gossip, then I have to go back to my husband. I have to, आपको पता है आज क्या हुआ? And then he'll just leave everything. He'll leave his video game music. बताओ यार क्या हुआ? तो it is very important.
You're also a doctor, Manira,
Yeah.
and of course you asked me a very psychologically based question, and I will
Yeah.
also ask you something, and you have to tell me इसका deep root क्या है, कहाँ पे है. I have seen of couples, known them, helped them, still coming to me for therapy. The most beautiful partners. The lady is extremely beautiful and doing extremely well for herself professionally,
Yes.
and still gets insecure about her husband. कमी नहीं है उस लड़की में कोई. मतलब मैं तुम्हें सिर्फ एक केस बता रही हूँ. एक एक्स ले लो तुम. टेक एन इंडिविजुअल एक्स. शी इज़ ब्यूटिफुल. द वर्ल्ड कैन बी एट हर फीट. शी इज़ कॉम्पिटेंट and doing extremely well for herself professionally. And she finds herself in an extremely insecure position when it comes to her husband. Why do you think that is? Why can't women in our society be secure with when they have good careers and when they have everything that they've asked for in life?
Exactly. But then again, it goes to a deep-rooted thing of how you have been, how we have been brought up since childhood. You're getting my point? And this is all the role of psychology and how you were treated in your childhood. And कितने लोगों ने आपको ये बोला कि बेटा नहीं अंदर जाके बैठो, इस टाइम पे बाहर नहीं निकलना. You're getting my point? And how your father was there, how your father treated your mother.
You probably
Most importantly,
yes.
that is a very important thing. How you have seen when you grew up, how you see your parents portraying each other in front of you. That is a very, very important thing. आपके फादर ने आपकी मदर को आपके सामने कितनी रिस्पेक्ट दी. If there was a fight, how did both of them retaliate? And the same thing goes in your relationship. If your mother was insecure, why was she insecure? ये सारी चीज़ें बच्चों के दिमाग में बैठ जाती है.
But Marina,
That is the
I
problem.
want to ask you this. Like I said, I'm talking about some random ex person.
I know. Yes.
Say this person doesn't have a childhood history, comes from a perfect family, very loving family. तो भी insecurities आ जाती
Then it's all intuition. That I always say.
शक.
It's intuition. It's
शक.
फीमेल्स का.
शक बोलेंगे ना.
Yes, जो फीमेल्स का जो इंट्यूशन पावर होता है वो बहुत हाई होता है.
तो बोलते नहीं कि शक will ruin your.
They say it. बट आप मेरी बात समझो मैं क्या कर रही हूँ कि फीमेल्स का इंट्यूशन पावर बहुत हाई होता है. यू मस्ट हैव आई हैव सीन सो मेनी केसेस लाइक दिस कि मेरी फ्रेंड ने मुझे आके बोला है कि यार मुझे हमेशा. हाँ.
I'm sorry I'm interrupting.
हाँ.
Are you saying that say somebody comes has no psychological childhood trauma or anything and comes from a perfectly loving family,
Yes,
where
yes.
they've seen a lot of respect and love between parents, siblings and everything, perfect family, touch wood. I mean, I hope everybody has that kind of life.
Yes.
And still grows to become professionally extremely competent,
Yes.
very beautiful, and yet is insecure about her husband.
Yes.
You're saying that we need to blame the husband for this?
I mean, it's her intuitive energy because see, it's a podcast, I know, but I just say one thing. You know what happens when you share your sexual energy with some person?
Yes, it's called Runanubandh.
Yes. So what happens after you share it? Obviously you can't have sex with everyone. You have sex with your husband.
No, but sometimes.
But when you share your sexual energy, what happens?
And I know I'm trying to defend the men here.
Yeah, you are. But what happens when you share sexual energy with someone?
energies are exchanged.
Yes, and
their negatives also come to you, positives
Exactly.
also come to you,
Exactly.
and vice versa.
And insecurities also come to you. That is also one very important thing. You start sharing their insecurities. This has happened with me. You start sharing their insecurities. If he'll say कि
It
यार
grows on
ये
you.
exactly grows on you.
But do you think that's healthy?
It's not healthy, but you
It's
can't
very
help
unhealthy.
it.
No, but why not?
Yeah.
Why is I feel why is walking out of maybe I'm not married and that's why it is like this. But you are. You can tell me. Why is it so difficult to walk out of a dysfunctional marriage for anyone? Why is it so difficult?
Family, kids, parents.
Say a couple doesn't have kids then, and the family is
think
also
so
saying
first.
हाँ ठीक है कोई बात नहीं करो.
Then I think so for such people it's very easy, Advati. I've only seen people who cannot walk out of their marriage because of their kids or because of their parents.
Do you think life
Nothing
is all
else.
about the choices we make?
Yes, it is.
So then, when a woman or a man who doesn't walk out of a dysfunctional marriage, it's their choice.
It's the choice. It's as simple as
So
that.
they want to be in
Yeah.
that
They want to be in that marriage.
pattern and that
Yes,
loop and that
exactly.
unhealthy and toxic
Exactly.
thing.
हमारे यहाँ तो एक
So
ही
they're
चीज़ है
making
ना,
a
लोग
conscious
क्या
choice.
कहेंगे?
They're making a conscious choice.
Exactly.
But अब चीजें बदलने लगी हैं.
Yes, it is. They
Now
have-
people are moving away.
they're moving away, and now people are going into an open marriage. That's the best part. It's a culture that is very famous. That ठीक है, my spouse is here, and his parents are here, and my parents are there, and they're very happy. And this is a concept of open marriage, but they're outside with some other person who understands them better, who respects them better, who loves them better.
Then why be in a marriage in the first place?
Again, as you said,
Why?
that it's just that
Societal pressure.
The societal pressure. You have kids, you have your parents to take care of. मम्मी पापा मर जाएंगे यार अगर ऐसा सुनेंगे तो. You getting my point? ये
तो
सब ये सारी
ये
चीजें.
सारी चीजें इसीलिए कहते हैं कि दोस्ती होनी जरूरी है in a marriage.
Yes, and इन अ मैरिज दोस्ती होनी ज़रूरी है, और आपके शादी के बाहर भी दोस्त होने चाहिए जो आपको समझाएं
कि भाई तुम पागल हो.
एग्जैक्टली लाइक यू आर दैट काइंड ऑफ फ्रेंड. मुझे पता है
मैं
आप
तो
किसी
उस
को ऐसे
किस्म की फ्रेंड हूँ कि
समझाओगे.
भैया मेरे को लगेगा कि मेरा कोई दोस्त बहुत ही डिसफंक्शनल मैरिज है तो चुपचाप छोड़ो नहीं.
एग्जैक्टली, तो
सामने
आप
वाले को भी जीने दो.
समझाओगे. एग्जैक्टली,
सामने वाले को भी जीने दो ना. लेट योर पार्टनर आल्सो ब्रीथ
Also
भाई.
yes, yes.
You both are just destroying each other.
But okay, so my question, what if one partner doesn't want to leave them then?
Then you have to take your time and explain to that partner that this is not going to work out.
Exactly.
This is not going to work out.
Most of the time, Sadhviti, this is the problem that is happening in Indian marriages. One
छोड़ना
person wants to
चाह.
move out, the other person does not. They're like, मैं तो जाऊंगी ही नहीं, मैं तो
please
जाऊंगा ही नहीं.
I will request this with all my audiences and आप भी request कर दें कि please don't carry on with a toxic
Exactly.
friendship also.
Yes.
Don't
the
carry
same
on
thing
with a
goes on in
toxic friendship. Please let the other person go. And if they're not ready to leave you, give it some time, explain it to them, and then let it go slowly.
Aditi, we had a talk about friendship. So in a marriage also, in a friendship also, and this is my
You
definition
had said letting
of,
go.
Yes, letting go, and this is my definition of love, as I've already told you the definition of friendship. That, love is when you love someone, but you are not trying to fix their problem, then it is not love. Then you are just in love with the idea
of love.
that person being
Yes.
there with you.
You're in love with the potential of that
Exactly.
person. वो बेचारा इंसान.
Exactly. You're just in love with the idea of that person being there with you. कि हाँ, अच्छा ये मेरा पति है, मेरे साथ है. That is not love. True love is when you try to, you see that yes, इसको ये problem हो रही है, and I have to fix that problem for that person.
Yeah, and then only I find
Exactly.
so many couples who come to me where only one partner is doing all the effort.
Exactly.
They are
Yes.
making efforts to go to
Yes.
therapy, to understand, reading more, talking to friends, trying to say. The other person is like, no. There's nothing that we can do it on ourselves. There's nothing that we can't really fix.
Right,
No, that doesn't happen.
Exactly. So you are just in that comfort zone, and you have that idea, of that ki you are in love with that cocoon that you have created for yourself. कि हाँ, मतलब now मैं ठीक हूँ. But असली प्यार यार यही होता है कि अगर आपके पार्टनर को कोई दिक्कत हो और आप अपने उस पार्टनर की प्रॉब्लम फिक्स कर दो. नहीं, मैं ये फिक्स करके रहूँगा. प्यार ये है, वरना प्यार है ही नहीं यार कुछ.
देखो मनीरा, ऐसा है तुम और मैं हैं तो हम तो हैं बहन प्यारी दोनों। हमारी ही कॉन्वर्सेशन इसके बाद भी चलेगी, मुझे पता है।
I know.
तो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, टुडे आई थिंक आई हैव टू रियली स्टॉप दिस पॉडकास्ट, अदरवाइज वी विल कीप गोइंग ऑन एंड टॉकिंग. शी एंड आई, वी कैन जस्ट गो ऑन एंड ऑन टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर फॉर आवर्स एंड वी विल, देयर नॉट बी अ स्टॉप.
Yes.
बट रियली मनीरा, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर डूइंग दिस विद मी.
I love you. I love you a lot.
Yes,
And
I love you too.
I want to take the responsibility of closing this podcast
Please.
and telling all the viewers about love and friendship. So this goes back to कुरुक्षेत्र. आपकी लड़ाई चल रही है भयंकर वाली, और एकदम से भीष्म पितामह आते हैं और वो कहते हैं कि आज तो मैं सबको मार डालूंगा. बिकॉज यू नो साइड फ्रॉम द कौरवास, दे आर लाइक वेरी इरिटेटेड नाउ कि भीष्म पितामह आप तो यार, आप तो सबको मार सकते हो, मार क्यों नहीं रहे हो. सो ही takes a flare of his arrows and he starts fighting, and the great warrior Arjun is also like, his hands are on his head and he's like, we are done for.
We're done, huh?
Right. So Krishna, he took a vow that he will not fight. He'll just be Arjun's charioteer. He will not do anything more than that, right? He'll just be a सारथी and मैं कुछ नहीं करूँगा. So this is where love and friendship comes. He sees Arjun. He's sitting on the battlefield with his hand on his head, and Arjun is just waiting to die. And Krishna, he picks up his chariot, takes out the wheel, and he's like, कि whatever happens, I'm going to break my vow, I'm going to break my promise, and I'm going to kill them all. So this is one part of love and friendship. I'll tell you the second part of love and friendship. That is what, कि भाई दोस्त को कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए. दोस्त को कोई आँच नहीं आनी चाहिए. Right? Arjun sees that from the battlefield, and he sees Krishna and he grabs hold of his legs and he says, let us all die, but don't break your vow.
Valar Morghulis. All men must die.
Yes. So that is love and that is friendship. Both of them protecting each other in their own way.
Yes.
And
thank you so much, Manira. I think this was amazing, and I think हम और भी बात कर सकते थे.
Yes.
Maybe another podcast.
Yes, we will.
थोड़ा सा लंबा रखेंगे.
We will,
ये
yes.
स्टूडियो वाले अगर हमको रखने दें तो. Thanks a lot. And it was lovely having you.
And I'm blessed to have you as a friend.
Same here. Always.
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you. Back up.
Back up.